Okay, so you are back to the online class, and today we're gonna review for our test for June in chapter 9, the whole chapter, unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3. And Sun Hoo, hello Sun Hoo.
Yes, teacher.
Can you tell me about our chapters, I mean title of our chapter 9? Did you remember what it's talking about? Sun Hoo, do you know?
Chapter 9, the weather.
Yeah, it's talking about the weather. Okay, very good. Okay, here we go for the review for our chapter 9. The first thing that all of you have to know is vocabulary. So as normal, we usually do a matching, right, for the vocabulary. Only the special for semester exam, you will have multiple choice, but for every month, we usually do the matching. So it is one kind of remembering, and also it's a good thing that you have to learn the vocab from day by day and lesson by lesson. ចឹងមេរៀនរបស់យើងគឺទី1គឺ vocab ដែលយើងត្រូវ review. We have unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. Okay, in unit 1 we have 5 words, unit 2 we have 6 words, and unit 3 we have 5 words. So anyone volunteer to read unit 1 for the class? I'm afraid that some of you forgot the words. Okay. Anyone volunteer? So let's match it in and money. Volunteer, please. So karang, okay. Karang think like karang sleepy, no? Okay, can you read?
Unit 1.
Yep.
Unit 1. 1 cloudy, 2 rainstorm, 3 rainy, 4 forecast, and 5 thunder.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. And Maniniet, hello Maniniet.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the translation of each word from unit 1 to 5 here? Example, cloudy, meaning that means popច្រើនណា. What about rainstorm, rainy, forecast, and thunder? So what does it mean in Khmer? ប្រែណា. Okay. Do you know? If you don't know, just tell me you forgot and I will move to another one.
1 cloudy ដែលមានពពក 2
Yeah.
rainstorm ជុះភ្លៀង tell all right.
Yeah, tell all.
Rainy វស្សា forecast ការព្យាករណ៍ and thunder ផ្គត់លាន់
Yeah, okay, very good, right? So rainy we can translate from anything. មានន័យថាអាចបកប្រែថាដែលមានភ្លៀងធ្លាក់ឬក៏វស្សាបាទ the rainy season រដូវវស្សា Okay, good. Okay, for unit 2, anyone volunteer? Next matchទេបាទ Be brave, be yourself. Cover all these words you have learned already for 3 weeks. Okay. So let me call if no volunteer. Don't waste your time. Gạch Liếng. Hello, Gạch Liếng.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, please read the 6th word in unit 2.
Block clearly creases downpour temperature predict.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Block clearly crisis downpour temperature predict. Okay, very good. Dawan. Hello, Dawan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give me a translation for each word from 1 to 6 in unit 2?
1 block.
Yeah.
រារាំង
Yeah.
2 clear clearly យ៉ាងច្បាស់ 3 crisis វិបត្តិ 4 downpour ភ្លៀង 5
temperature. Hello, the one. Cannot get your voice. Okay, maybe she is disconnected. So I will continue from her. Okay, temperature, it means that she don't have peep. Okay, predict means man. Okay, man. Okay, unit 3. Leah. Hello, Leah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read the words from unit 3, 1 to 5?
One classes, 2, walk, 3, warm, 4, bright, 5, wet.
Okay, yeah, thank you. So number 1 is careless. Number 2, fox. Number 3, warm. Number 4, bright. And number 5 is wet. So what about translation? Okay. Buồn rong. Okay, buồn rong. Can you tell me about the translation? Unit 3.
Right now.
Okay, careless. What does it mean, careless?
Careless. First row has
Okay, fox.
fox up.
Okay, warm.
Cọ đài.
Okay, and bright.
Right. Blue.
Yeah, blue, like blue. Wet.
Sam.
Okay, good. The purpose that I would like you to translate, because for the matching, only one thing that you have to do a matching successfully is understanding the word clearly. Okay. ជានៅក្នុងចំណុច matching របស់យើងតើបងប្អូនស្គាល់ពាក្យនឹងច្បាស់បាទស្គាល់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងជិះស្គាល់អស់ហើយបងប្អូនទៅធ្វើ matching នឹងបាន You know why? So you will read the definitions and then you match it to the words. And there are many words. Example, they given you 10 words. So you will make that difficult for understanding the word. But if you understand the word, means you know the translation of each word or most of them, 80% or 90%. Maybe you can guess the key term or the key word in the definition and you can find the correct word to match with. Okay. ចឹងបើសិនបងប្អូនស្គាល់ពាក្យនឹងច្បាស់70 80ឬក៏90%បងប្អូនទៅមើលទៅលើ definition ដែលវាជា key បាទមានន័យថានៅក្នុង definition គឺបញ្យល់ច្រើនណាស់ប៉ុន្តែវាមាន key បាទ key របស់វា example rainstorm អញ្ចឹងយើងយល់ជាភាសាខ្មែរថាព្យុះភ្លៀងអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងទៅមើលទៅលើ definition យើងឃើញមានតែ rain a lot and strong wind យើងដឹងថាហ្នឹងព្យុះភ្លៀងឃើញទេអញ្ចឹងពេលបងប្អូនធ្វើលំហាត់បងប្អូនមើលទៅលើ key វាទៅប្រភេទ matching អញ្ចឹងណាបាទហើយភ្ជាប់វាមកគឺត្រឹមត្រូវអញ្ចឹងគ្រូចង់ប្រាប់បងប្អូនពី technique នៃការធ្វើ matching គេលោកថាដែរដឹងណាអញ្ចឹងនេះខ្ញុំបង្ហាញជាយើងអាចយកទៅអនុវត្តណាសំខាន់គឺស្គាល់ពាក្យនេះឲ្យបានច្រើនទីហោថាក្នុង matching របស់យើងមានទាំងអស់5ពាក្យឬក៏6ពាក្យអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនធ្វើម៉េចចេះឲ្យបានលើសពី 50% អូខេបាទអញ្ចឹងបើយើងចេះបានទីហោក្នុង matching យើងមាន6អញ្ចឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអត់ចេះ3ពាក្យបាទ crisis clearly ហើយនឹង temperature អញ្ចឹងអា3ទៀតយើងចេះហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងសល់3ទៀតយើងធ្វើការ guessing ទៅវាបាន50លើ50តែបើសិនជាបងប្អូនអត់ចេះរហូតដល់4ដល់5ពាក្យអញ្ចឹងវាអាចទៅហើយអូខេបាទចា៎ហ្នឹងវាចាំបាច់ត្រូវការយើងយល់ពាក្យហ្នឹងឲ្យច្បាស់ You have to understand and know the transition of the word. Okay, thank you very much. So we can move to the next thing is to practice. So I'm gonna give you the word cross or crosswords like this. Okay, from the link. So you can do it individually by yourself from your device. Okay, ចឹងយើងនឹងទទួលបាន link មួយលោកគ្រូនឹងផ្ញើ link នេះទៅឲ្យបងប្អូនហើយបងប្អូននឹងធ្វើវានៅក្នុង device របស់យើងរៀងៗខ្លួន Okay, and you will have 5 minutes to complete it. And after finish, you can screenshot and send to me, or you can tell me that you are done. Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to send the link to you. So please wait. Cho nên được nha, link những cái áo tam được chưa? Zoom chat, okay, cái đôi chia Telegram. Cho bọn check Telegram. Please wait. Okay, you can see your Telegram and Zoom chat. Okay, Sophia, do you see now, Sophia?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can start from now, right? Let's go. Now, everyone, you can check the answer for the crossword, right? So you can click on the link, touch your screen or your device on the line. Here we call down, and here we call cross, right? Down we have number 1, number 3, number 7. Okay, we start number 1. The definition, when you type, they will show you the clue definition. A weather condition with strong wind and heavy rains. So we call it Julasa. What do we call it?
Rainstorm.
Rainstorm, please spell.
R-A-I-N.
O-A-I-N S-T-O-R. One more. Two more. M. Last one. S. Correct. Okay, very good. So number 2. Super. Number 2. The sudden loud noise which comes from sky. So what is the word?
Thunder.
Thunder. Can you spell for the class?
Thunder.
Under. Okay, correct. Good. Okay, number 3. Let's move to that one. A very heavy rains. That one. Hello, the one. Are you in connection now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very heavy rain. What do we call? Start with letter.
Downpour.
Downpour with letter D, right? So can you find next?
D-O.
D-O-W.
N-P-O.
N-P-O.
U-O.
U-O. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, we move to number 4. Thawat. Hello, Thawat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the degree of heat or cold in the environment, in an environment.
Temperature.
Okay, please spell.
T-E-M.
T-E-M.
P-E-O.
P-E-O.
A-T-U-R-E.
A-T-U-R-E. Correct. Okay. Number 5. Okay. Mulim. Hello, Mulim. Number 5.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The close of putting something in the way.
Block.
Block. Can you spell?
B-L-O-C-K.
Oh, sorry. B-L-O-C-K. Okay, correct. Thank you. Number 6. Number 6. not taking enough care.
Careless.
Careless. Can you spell?
C
C
A
A
R E
or E
L E S.
L E S S. Okay, yeah, very good. So number 7, karang, comfortably high temperature.
Warm. Warm.
Warm.
W A or M.
A or M. Correct. Okay, the last one is giving to Madi. The last one.
Yes, teacher. Fog.
Fog, spell please.
Fog.
Fog. Correct. Okay, congratulations. Okay, so now we can move to our slide. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna review is grammar. Okay, so only one grammar point that will appear in your test is relative pronouns, right? Sophie, hello Sophie. Be disconnect.
The teacher.
Okay, come back. How many relative pronouns have you learned? So for like who, okay, you can count.
There are
Do you remember? If you don't remember, I will ask your friend to have. Okay, your friend can have you. Nimol.
I forget, teacher.
Okay, yeah, your friend will have you. Hello, Nimol. Nimol. Okay.
Yes.
What are the relative pronouns have you learned?
They are who, whom, whose, which, that.
Okay, very good. Congratulations. So, Sophie, can you repeat? Sophie.
The teacher.
Okay, repeat please.
There are relative pronouns. They are who, whom, whose, how, and
No house.
Whose, who, and whom.
Okay, thank you. So here are the practice. There are 2 practice for relative pronoun. First, you choose the best answer to complete the game. So I will give you the choice, yeah, in the bracket, which or who. Example, Jake and Jessica Carter, blah, 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 got married about a years ago. Recently bought a new house. So which or who do you think? Sasda, hello. Are you with us, Sasda?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so which one do you choose? Which or who?
Who?
Who? Okay, let's check. Correct. Okay, next, after you do the best, choose the best answer already, you use this sentence again. Mean you separate it into 2 simple sentences. Okay. Mình thay dương nghe viết tới chữ P ví dụ sẽ cái đại là lại việc này. Example, Jake and Jessica got married. Sorry, got married about a years ago. They recently bought a new house. We do like that. Okay. You see, right? So this is the practice for your exercise. You have to do it by completing. Okay, after you complete already, you separate it into 2 simple sentences. Get it, right? So let me check it. Ratha, hello Ratha. Hello,
Yes, sir.
So what are you going to do for the first? Đáp án như thế ấy. Cái đợt ấy đặt châu vào lại ná. Đáp tháng. Okay. Maybe he missed it. So we ask. Chulsa, hello Chulsa.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, have your friend tell him about what you're going to do for the first things. Đáp án thứ ấy.
Choose the answer
From the bracket, right? What about the second?
Yes. And separate it into 2 sentences.
Okay, yeah, you are right. Okay, so you have 7 minutes to complete it. Okay, let's go right now. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is complete the gap with the word choice here. And the second, you have to separate the sentence again into 2 parts. Okay, so you can have a look. The clue to do first, you have to find to identify the relative pronoun first. Here, the relative pronoun, right? Okay, I'm going to draw to make you understand here relative pronoun. ជាងចាប់បានពីហ្នឹងគឺ relative pronoun ណាអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជារបស់ប្រយោគនេះទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចបាន check Jessica Catherine has bought a new house. Okay, recently bought a new house. ហើយ they នេះគឺ refer ទៅលើ relative pronoun មួយនេះណាអូខេបាទ got married about years ago. អូខេបាទចឹងហ្នឹងគឺជា relative pronoun ដែលយើងបំបែកចេញមកចឹងយើងយក relative pronoun ញែកនេះយកមកដាក់មកទៅជាប្រយោគទី2ណាប្រយោគទី1វាគឺកន្លែងនេះអូខេ so I hope you understand. Okay, now we can go to the answer. So let's check with me. Can go it faster. So number 1, the neighborhood, who or which. So let's tell me, Rotha. Hello, Rotha. Tell me your answer. Number 1, who or which.
Teacher.
Who or which. Number 1.
Number 1,
Which. Okay. You are correct. Okay, number 2, Davan. That one, number 2.
Number 2, that.
That. Okay. Very good. Okay, number 3, Leah.
Number 3,
Which. Okay, correct. Okay, next. Say not. Hello, say not. Say not. Are you here? The internet connection is slow. Mạnh Hồng. Hello, Mạnh Hồng. Mạnh Hồng. Okay. So move to Onion. Hello, Onion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Onion, can you tell me answer number 1? Who or whom?
What, sir?
Number 4, please. Who or whom?
Home, sir.
Whom. Okay, correct. Last one. Gạch liếng. Number 5.
Yeah, teacher.
Who or whom?
I think who.
Who. Yeah, okay. You're right. So now we move to go to the second exercise. You have to separate it. we'll start from Mulim. Hello, Mulim. Tell me your answer, number 1, to separate it into sentence.
Yes, teacher.
Read your answer to me, number 1.
They have been living in the neighborhood. The neighborhood is somewhat dangerous one.
Okay, so the neighborhood you can replace by it. Okay. So neighborhood is somewhere dangerous one. They have been living in it. Yeah. So it here refer to neighborhood. Okay. So you have to find the place correctly, and then you will know it is subject or object. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 is Sun Hua.
Number 2, they are moving. Number 2, they are moving to a new neighborhood. It is much safer.
Okay.
That is.
Okay. The neighborhood is much safer. They are moving into it. It's like that. Okay. So let's check it again, because it will appear soon next week. Supet. Hello, Supet.
Yes, teacher.
Number 3, please. Your answer.
Their new house is quite cheaply. It needs some fixing up.
Let's check with me. Yeah. The new house does need some fixing up. They bought it quite cheaply. So the word it here refer to the new house. Okay. And if we make it to the relative pronoun, the new house which they bought quite cheaply does need some fixing up. Okay. Yeah. Number 3, let's go to Soklan. Tell me about your number 4, please. Soklan, number 4, please.
Teacher, I'm not sure.
Not sure, but you can tell your answer to the class. Okay. Okay, she is confident to tell. So move to Mai Hoa. Okay. Tell me your answer now for.
Number 4. However, they will be receiving some help from their neighbors. They like most of them.
Yes, correctly. However, they will be receiving some help from their neighbor. They like most of them. Okay, or most of them they like. We call it inversion. You can use that. And the last one. Kuang, you are the last one, number 5.
Yes, teacher. The Flintstone live next door to them. They volunteer to lend their tool.
Okay, let's check. Yeah. The Flintstone have volunteered to lend their tools. They live next door to them. Yeah, they refer to the Flintstones. Okay, yeah. If you still have problem, please ask me. I'm going to explain it to you one more time. But now first, Caitlin, hello.
Yeah, teacher.
I would like you to read it from 1 to 5. Okay, it's class louder.
1. The neighborhood is a somewhat dangerous one. They have been living in it. 2. The neighborhood is much safer. They are moving into it. 3. Their new house does need some fixing up. They bought it cheaply. 4. However, they will be receiving some help from their neighbor. They like most of them. 5. The Flintstones have volunteered to lend their tools. They live next door to them.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. ជាក្នុងលំហាត់មួយនេះយើងបំបែកវា choបើសិនយើងគុំវាចូលវិញយើងធ្វើម៉េចយើងគុំចូលវិញយើងត្រូវទៅមើលទៅលើទី1អូនមើលពីប្រយោគហ្នឹងថាកន្លែងណាជានាមជាប្រធានបាទហើយឬក៏ជា object ហើយកន្លែងប្រយោគទី2របស់វាកន្លែងណាជាសព្វនាមដែលវា modify ទៅឲ្យអូខេលើឧទាហរណ៍មួយបាទកន្លែងនេះយើងគូបញ្ចូលយើងឡើងវិញចឹងកន្លែងនេះឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងយកចូលទី2ចុះបាទចឹងយើងមើលនេះគឺ it ហើយវា refer ទៅឲ្យពាក្យថា the neighborhood បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងចំនួនកន្លែង it នេះដោយអីសំតាំង it នឹងដោយ which ទៅហ៎បាទ which ឬក៏ that ទីហោចឹងសិនចឹងណាបាទចឹង which ឬក៏ that ហើយយើងនឹងត្រូវលើកវាបាទយើងត្រូវលើកវាដាក់កន្លែងណាដឹងទេចឹងយើងត្រូវលើកវាដាក់ខាងមុខនេះណាលើកវាដាក់ខាងមុខយើងលើក which ឬក៏ that នេះយើងដាក់ខាងមុខនេះដើម្បីអីគឺដើម្បីវាคล้ายទៅជា relative clause ចឹងវាទៅជាអីគេ which ឬក៏ that they are moving into បាទហើយបន្តទៀតយើងលើកប្រយោគទាំងមូលនេះបាទអូខេបាទយើងលើកប្រយោគទាំងមូលនេះយកមកដាក់នៅក្បែរនាមឬក៏សព្វនាមដែលវា modify ឲ្យដែលយើងហៅវាថា antecedent នោះតើអ្នកចាំទេបាទអញ្ចឹង antecedent គឺជានាមឬក៏សព្វនាមដែល relative pronoun ឬក៏ relative clause ហ្នឹងវា modify ទៅឲ្យអញ្ចឹងទៅជា the neighborhood which ឬក៏ that they are moving into is much safer ចឹងបងត្រឡប់ទៅមើលខាងមុខវិញគឺវាអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការច្បាច់បញ្ចូលគ្នាបងត្រូវទី1បាទចំណាំមើលថានៅក្នុងប្រយោគទី1នេះវាមាននាមសព្វនាមមួយណាហើយទៅមើលប្រយោគទី2តើសព្វនាមមួយណាដែលវា modify ទៅឲ្យហើយយើងជំនួសទៅលើមនុស្សសត្វវត្ថុរបស់ឬក៏អីចឹងទៅដើម្បីយកមកដាក់អូខេបាទចឹងសិនជាបងអូនមិនទាន់ច្បាស់អាចស្រាវជ្រាវបន្ថែមឬក៏អាចសួរគ្រូបាទគុំច្រើន The next thing that to review is reading comprehensions. In fact, in our reading text in the test, it's not appear for comprehension, but you will ask to complete the game, right? But that reading will relate it to your reading text, so it will help you a lot. Now you are going to read it. Okay, I'm going to send you the links again, and you are going to read the sentences and choose the correct answer A, B, and C. Okay, so now I will send the link to your group by Zoom chat and also the Telegram. Please wait. Tôi được nhà link đi tạo ấy chăm tình lắm. Okay, so you can go to your class group. Okay, to see the link. Okay, let's check. Hello, Nimol. Hello, Nimol.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, did you go to the link yet?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now you can start to do it. I'm going to share it to you. So when you click the link, you will see this kind of, okay, and then you have to select the answer that is you think is the best one. Click it, okay, to each sentence. Example, you click winter, you click temperature, you click March, you click October, you click spring, okay, and then don't forget press the word finish, and then put the check my answer. right? After that, you can screenshot and show me that how many or how much score have you get, okay? Do like that. So please start from now. You have 5 minutes to read it. Let's go. So let's check together, everyone. So the first questions is gonna be A, B, C, or D. Let's check with me. Yeah, it is A. Load copy, okay. And sorry, maybe it have a little bit problem. We'll check it. Let's wait. Okay, move back right because it's error. Okay, the first is A, second is B, the third is B, and the next is A, is D, and it is B. Okay, it's an error. So can check, and the move next is talking about the writing, everyone. So for our writing is focus on the essay writing. You will write at least 150 words. Don't forget. Chứ như sẽ chỉ một page tầm rộng tại đây nè mà stream về bề liên tục hỏi. And the topic is talking about our chapter. Okay, cho wir bắt đầu từ lời Trung Quốc ở dưới. And unit nhưng mà liền hỏi nè mà từ unit buồn about the weather. And the thing that you have to keep in mind, it is the format of writing an essay. The first thing is introductions or introductory. The second is body, and the third is conclusion. So in the introductions, it will contain one paragraph that will be showing is hook mà chân dương miền hook. Hook cũng từ chỉ central idea bao nhiêu để dương dùng mà giấy body giải phí bất thi là bọt bao nhiêu. And thesis statement mà dương miền thesis statement đại cái hai thà cái lại cùng đặt song khăn á mà cùng đặt song khăn rồi bỏ essay bao nhiêu tại như trong chế PA hai thesis statement bao nhiêu những cứ bia trời relate chỉ mùi nắng topic sentence mà vì thế tại đôi từ có cho việc phone cho mình topic sentence bao nhiêu chính dương miền introduction ấy cứ mùi paragraph and the next is the body chínhในขนม body យើងយ៉ាងហោចណាស់មាន2 paragraph okay paragraph ទី1 paragraph ទី2និង paragraph ទី3ចឹង paragraph ទាំង3នេះឧទាហរណ៍យើងមាន3គឺវាត្រូវតែ relate មានន័យថាវាត្រូវតែជា detail ឬក៏ explanations about the thesis statement ពីកំណត់សំខាន់នៅក្នុង thesis statement អូខេបាទយើងទៅចាំឧទាហរណ៍តែយើងនិយាយអំពីគុណប្រយោជន៍នៃសត្វគោចឹងយើងត្រូវនិយាយថាតើសត្វគោមានប្រមាណថាប្រយោជន៍ទី1ទី2ទី3យ៉ាងតែវាមានតែ2យើងដាក់ទី1ទី2ហើយយើងបញ្ចូលនៅក្នុង body ណាអញ្ចឹងម្ដងទៀតនៅក្នុង introduction one paragraph នៅក្នុង body បើសិនយើងមាន supporting idea របស់យើង3អញ្ចឹងវាឡើង4 paragraph 1 2 3 4 and the last one is conclusion. It will contain a summary of the main point and global statement បាទអញ្ចឹងទី1ដំបូងបំផុតអូនត្រូវដាក់ transitional conclusion transition មានន័យថាclear បញ្ចប់សេចក្តីបើយើងដាក់អាហ្នឹងគេអត់ដឹងទេតែយើងចប់ឬក៏អត់ហើយយើង summary the main point យើងអាច paraphrase ពី CC statement ឬក៏យើងអាច abstract main point from each paragraph in body ចឹងយើងអាចដកចំណុចសំខាន់ៗពីក្នុង paragraph នៅក្នុង body របស់យើងទី1ទី2ទី3ឬក៏ទី1ទី2នេះយកមក restate បន្តទៀត ហើយជាចុងក្រោយគឺយើងត្រូវឲ្យជា global statement ជាគំនិតទូទៅអូខេគំនិតសកលចឹងយើងអត់និយាយពីខ្លួនឯងអត់និយាយពីគ្រួសារទេគឺយើងនិយាយជា overall ជាទូទៅទាំងអស់ណាហើយយើងនិយាយថាសត្វគោមានប្រយោជន៍អញ្ចឹងយើងនិយាយថាតើគួរតែយើងជាយាមថែរក្សាសត្វគោឬក៏យើងត្រូវសម្រាប់វាឬក៏យ៉ាងណាអូខេដើម្បីទីទៅគឺដើម្បីទាំងអស់គ្នាមិនមែនដើម្បីតែម្នាក់ឬក៏គ្រួសារទេអូខេឬក៏ប្រទេសមួយគឺទាំងអស់គ្នាណាជាកន្លែងចំណុចហ្នឹងគឺទៅទៅជាមួយនឹង writing របស់យើងអញ្ចឹងបើពេលបងអូនធ្វើត្រូវតាមចំណុចដែលគ្រូបានប្រាប់នេះ introduction body និង conclusion គឺយើងត្រូវតាមលក្ខខណ្ឌរបស់ format ហើយយើងទៅ check ទៅមើលលើ meaning បាទតើអត្ថន័យវា link គ្នាអត់ពី introduction body និង conclusion link អត់អូខេហើយនឹង check ទៅលើ spelling rule spelling ហើយនឹង grammar អូខេបាទអាហ្នឹងគឺអ្វីដែលគ្រូ check ណាយើងត្រូវតែចាំអត់គ្នា and thank you for your paying attention okay